Floating garden ni Jazz. Oh. Ayan. Only in Choi Ping River. And this is the border.
Kasi mo punta dito eh.
Ah. Tapos dito yung tagabantay the frog. Green frog. Quack, quack, quack. And the bird says, okay. And the penguin, anak ka dito yung penguin?
Fish.
Haan? This is the dolphin. And then the fish. Ayan, dati the fish. Yun. Yan, saying, okay daw yung floating garden doon. Sila yung tagabantay. Yan lang. And octopus. Yan. Green with ice. And this is, I don't know. And ito ang human na kumakain ng fish. Fish cracker, what dito? Shrimp cracker. Fish cracker, shrimp cracker. Ayan. And then there's the cutie pie. Yan lang. Oh, ang dami nyo makikita pag pupunta kayo dito sa Choi Ping River, only in Laguna City. So, what's up guys? Come and visit this. Come and visit this. You will enjoy very, very much. You will surely enjoy this. May ano siya, tubig doon. And then this one, ikutin mo lang. Sure talaga may enjoy mo dito. Hindi siya crowded. You have your own time, own space. Yan. Yun. Can hip hip hooray! Hey! Ito, agsala kanuti. Hey, si Siwit. Reading na agsayat. Si Siwit. Yan. Ayun, mga, ang dami silang ano dito. Ang many characters of mga ano to. Hindi ko higalain. Hindi ko alam. Anong mga pangalan. So, just come and enjoy and visit this wonderful Choi Ping River. Pero maganda kasi sa gabi para makita mo yung ganda ng silaw. Ayan. And then ang overpass. Ayan. Okay, sabi niya, okay, listen. And okay. And this is the Choi Ping River ending. As ending the Choi Ping River. Okay, so punta lang kayo dito. Take Clampton Station, exit D1. Tapos lakarin nyo dito. Papuntang Laguna City lang po ito. Yan lang, or pwede kayo mag-ferry from North Point. Tapos follow yung araw-araw to Choi Ping River. Yan lang. Sure, you will enjoy. Hindi siya crowded, promise. Hindi siya crowded. Ay, no, walang tao. It's only me and the friends.